Hey there. So today I want to talk to you about how to take any past career experience that has been negative in your opinion or something that you don't feel really worked in your favor and turn it into a powerful experience that you can leverage in your career story. For those of you that haven't been watching my videos this week, we're talking about the career story that's up in your head. I'll post videos to the earlier videos down below in the links. But today is about the equation that I have used. I have taught thousands of people in over 15 years how to use this equation to reframe the experience in their mind so that they're telling a different story. And when you tell a different story, you get a different outcome. So this equation is called the experience plus learn equals grow. And I know that sounds pretty basic, but here's what you want to do. You want to grab a piece of paper or open your laptop, and you want to write out this experience that you had that right now in your mind is negative. But what I want you to do is kind of pour your heart out about it. Write the whole thing out in as much detail as you need to do to kind of feel like you've let it out. Then I want you to go back through and I want you to circle every word that is emotional and subjective. So you're going to see negative terms. You're going to see places where you say, I couldn't do this and I can't do that and they did this to me and this happened. I want you to circle all of that because that's your opinion of the situation. That's subjective. And what we have to do is rip out all the subjectivity and create an objective experience. That's the first part of the equation. So you're going to strip down this long explanation into just the facts. This is what happened. This is what the results were. Plain and simple, no emotion tied to it. The second step is then to look at that and say, what did I learn? Because yesterday we talked about owning every experience and the power of owning every experience. And when you say, what did I learn? You're taking the power, you're taking the control back from the situation. And you're saying, I'm no fool. I'm going to take this, I'm going to use it to my advantage going forward. So what did I learn? When I look at that, what's the moral of the story here? What's the lesson learned that I can use to my value, my benefit in my career? And that leads to the equal sign, which is grow. Because when you can tell the story from an objective experience perspective and then add in what you've learned, this is what employers are looking for. This is what managers are looking for. This is what leaders are looking for. When they talk to somebody who fully owns every experience in their life and can use the experience, learn, and grow model to articulate that, you know you're talking to a winner. You know you're talking to somebody who's going to move their career forward, who's going to figure things out, who's a problem solver, who's positive. People don't want to work with people who come across like damaged goods. People don't want to work with people who assume the victim role. So when we write our career stories in our heads, even though we've had these powerful experiences that probably didn't turn out the way we wanted them to, when we say, here's what I've learned and here's how I've grown, when we reframe it, we turn into the hero. We're no victim, right? And that is the secret sauce. When people come into the Work It Daily program, usually they don't even realize that they're coming across like a victim, that they're acting negative, that their career story is weak and it's holding them back. But when we get them to rewrite the story and take ownership, and again, watch the video from yesterday because ownership doesn't mean you're taking blame or you're saying you did something wrong. Ownership is different. So watch that video. But when you take ownership and you rewrite the story from a power perspective, from a hero perspective, watch what happens. Everything changes. Your resume, your LinkedIn, your cover letter, those are just tools. You to get the job, that story is what drives that. And when you change the story and you use experience, learn, and grow, watch what happens. You will attract the attention of the people you are looking to get the attention of, right? Those employers, those people that you want to build in your network, whatever it is you're trying to do, your manager's attention, maybe you're trying to climb the ladder in your current company, doesn't matter. The story that's going on up here is so incredibly powerful. It's the software program that is running your career. And you have the ability to reprogram that software using experience, learn, and grow. And I'm telling you right now, everybody watching this video, you've all got something in that career past. You've all got something. You might be saying, oh, I do this already, JT. I always find something that somebody's thinking in their mind that is not serving them, that needs reprogramming. And this is how we do it. Experience, learn, and grow. And when we reprogram it, doors open. Things change. So there you have it, the secret sauce. Now listen, I would love in the comments below for all of you that have been following all this week and listening to this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I want to hear from you down below in the comments. Does this make sense? Experience, learn, and grow. Have you ever done this? Maybe there's a situation that you have right now that you can't see how you could possibly rewrite this. Share that with me too. Let's talk about it. Let's really internalize this lesson today, because in all my years as a career coach, again, it's doing this first that makes the biggest difference. After that, piece of cake. Resumes, cover letters, LinkedIn profiles, those are just tools. But this, the experience, learn, and grow model applied to this, that's the game changer. Okay? All right, everyone. Thank you so much. And I'll be back tomorrow, so check it out.